Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Beacons for creator links on LinkedIn, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Go to the Beacons website at beacons.ai. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign up button. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email and create a strong password. After entering your details, click the Continue button. Next, check your email for a verification message from Beacons. Open the email and find the verification link. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Now, return to the Beacons website. Log in using your verified email and password. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here, look for the option to create a new link or profile. Click on Create New Link. You'll see fields to enter your link information. Fill in the required details for the creator link. Make sure to include your LinkedIn profile URL. You can also customize the link to match your branding. After entering all necessary information, click Save or Create. Your new creator link will now be created. To access it, navigate back to your dashboard. You'll see your newly created link listed there. Copy the link for sharing purposes. Now, head over to your LinkedIn account. In LinkedIn, go to your profile page. Look for the section where you can add links or featured content. Paste your Beacons link in the appropriate section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.